Welcome back to the channel.
Looking for a dash cam that captures everything in crystal clear detail? Because today we're checking out a 4K plus 4K dash cam front and rear that might just be one of the best value-packed options you can get right now, especially since it comes with a free 128GB memory card. Let's dive in. If you care about safety, evidence, or just love cool car tech, dash cams are basically a must-have in 2026. And this one from Tehran Seoul, model D016, brings some seriously impressive specs. We're talking 4K front recording, 4K rear recording, ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, night vision parking mode, and support for up to 512GB storage. Sounds good on paper, but how does it actually perform? Let's start with the biggest highlight. This dashcam records 3840 by 2160 resolution on both cameras. Yes, front and rear in true 4K. That means sharper license plates, clearer road signs, better detail in accidents, less blurry footage. The 170-degree ultra-wide lens on the front camera is especially useful. It captures a wider portion of the road, perfect for multi-lane highways and busy city driving. No more worrying about missing something important just outside the frame. Now, dashcams often struggle at night, but this one uses super starlight night vision with WDR. The front camera has an f1.5 aperture, and the rear uses f1.8, which basically means more light enters the lens. Brighter footage, better clarity in low light. Headlights, streetlights, dark roads. Everything looks noticeably cleaner compared to standard dash cams. Next, reliability. With loop recording, the camera continuously records and overwrites old footage automatically, so you never run out of space. But here's the smart part. The G sensor detects sudden impacts or collisions and locks the footage instantly. No accidental deletion, no overwritten evidence. There's also a manual lock button if you want to save something important yourself. This is where things get really convenient. Thanks to dual-band Wi-Fi, 5.8 GHz plus 2.4 GHz, you can instantly connect your phone, view footage in real time, download videos, change camera settings, update firmware. OTA, no removing memory cards, no cables, no hassle. Just open the Tehran Seoul app on iOS or Android. Another premium feature, built-in GPS. This records driving routes, location data, live speed compass direction. Why does this matter? Because GPS-tagged footage becomes much stronger evidence for insurance claims, accident disputes, legal situations. It adds an extra layer of credibility. Even when your car is parked, this dashcam still works. Using time-lapse recording, it monitors your vehicle with low power consumption. And if someone hits your car, the G sensor triggers recording automatically and locks the video. Important note though, you'll need a hardwire kit for full parking mode functionality. Setup is surprisingly easy. Inside the box you get front camera, rear camera, long extension cable, USB-C car charger, suction mount, cable clips, wire trim tool, electrostatic films, and that free 128GB card. Everything you need. No extra purchases required to start recording. So who is this dash cam for? Honestly, anyone who wants high-end video quality. Strong safety features, modern wireless control, GPS tracking, excellent night performance, without paying premium brand prices. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And yes, the link to the dashcam is in the description. Drive safe, stay protected, and I'll see you in the next video.